Boost your beauty brand with Aesthetic SEO Agency. Boost your beauty brand's online presence with our Aesthetic SEO Agency. We blend stunning visuals with strategic optimization for eye-catching, high-ranking websites. In today's digital world, beauty brands face tough competition and short attention spans. Working with an Aesthetic SEO agency can help you shine online. They mix beautiful visuals with smart optimization to make your website stand out. Your website's look shapes your brand's identity and how people see it. Research shows first impressions are made in just seconds, based on design. A well-designed site attracts visitors, builds trust, and shows your brand's credibility. Using design-driven SEO is key for online success. It makes your site look good and rank well, attracting more visitors. This approach ensures your site is both beautiful and effective, leading to more customers. Your brand's visual identity is key to a successful online presence. An Aesthetic SEO agency helps create a digital experience that shows your brand's personality. They focus on making your online space look good and feel right. They choose colors, fonts, and images that match your brand. Every part of your website is designed to grab attention and show off your style. An Aesthetic SEO agency blends brand identity optimization and creative digital marketing to make your online presence shine. An Aesthetic SEO agency combines stunning design, strategic content, and technical SEO skills. This way, your website looks great and works well for your business. It leaves a strong impression and connects with your audience, boosting engagement and sales. A clean, modern design that works on all devices. High-quality images and graphics that highlight your products and brand. Content and navigation that are easy to follow, making browsing a breeze. Interactive features like videos and animations to keep visitors interested. In the beauty industry, where looks matter a lot, a visually appealing SEO strategy is crucial. An Aesthetic SEO agency can make your website both high-ranking and visually stunning. This way, you grab your audience's attention with your site's beauty. Visually appealing SEO lets you build a website that's both useful and visually stunning. An Aesthetic SEO agency can make your website stand out. They use great images, design, and easy navigation. This approach makes your brand memorable and attractive to the right audience.